Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at what's inside my everyday carry tech bag. And this is the OnePlus bag. I don't remember, they've had a couple of these throughout the years that the design has kind of changed on, but this is the most recent one that I have, and I use this thing all the time, pretty much every day. I like the look of it with the white, black, and red, and it's just very good for what I use it for, and it's a nice, easy bag to carry. So I'm going to go through all the pockets. This front pocket right here, I don't usually put anything in there. I just have my glasses case in there right now, but that is usually where I'll throw stuff like that, or quick access items, like maybe I'll throw a snack or something in there if I'm going to be out for a while. I'll usually use this pocket in here because it's just deep enough for some stuff like that. There is a little spot on the back here, like a little hidden zipper pouch back here. I don't use this for anything at all. I actually forget it's here most of the time, but there is a little zipper pouch right back there. Maybe if you want to like throw your wallet or something in there, that way it's safe. You know, somebody can't unzip the bag while it's on you and take your stuff out or anything like that. So maybe you can keep like your wallet or some spare cash or something in there, a little hidden pocket. And then the main portion right here. What I like about this bag is it's got a nice laptop sleeve right down here on the bottom. This is where I keep my tablet of choice. Right now it is the iPad Air M3. So I've been using that. Sometimes I'll carry the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra in there. But right now it is the iPad Air M3. And then we have, so we've got that pouch, it's a little separated piece right there. And then we've got my Anker MagSafe Qi 2 battery bank that I keep in one of these pockets right here. So there's little, like slots right here, 2 pockets, and there's a pocket in the middle you can keep a pin in right here as well. So I usually just slide my power bank in right there. Sometimes I'll keep my wallet or something right here. I do have other power banks that I will sometimes put in there if I'm going to be out for an extended period of time and I want to use multiple power banks, or I think I might need multiple power banks. I'll put another one in there, but I just keep that one in there because it's easy to get to. And then in this big zipper pocket right here, I keep my main power bank. This is the Anker 165 watt. This is the one with it's got the lanyard right here, which is also a cable, and then it's got the built-in cable right here. So I keep that. That'll charge my tablet, my phone, that kind of stuff. I used to keep like cables for the power bank in here. I also have a little pouch right here. This is for one of the Anker power banks. I think it actually goes to the small one that I don't have in the bag right now, but I used to keep like cables in here. I do have a little backup, just cheap USB-C to USB-C cable in here that I have in case of emergencies. But I usually don't keep that many cables in here anymore because this power bank does have the built-in cable. There's really no reason to carry a bunch of cables around. But like I said, if I need to charge something that maybe one of these cables doesn't reach, or I'm using those cables, or I'm using the other smaller power bank, I can use that cable. This power bank right here also does have a USB-C port on it that is an output, so I can, if I need to, use that cable with that. So I like to have multiple ways of doing things, just kind of a backup for a backup. That way I'm never without power. My devices are always ready to go. And then the other thing I have in here, I don't use these headphones that often, but I'll keep my Galaxy Buds in here. Sometimes I'll keep an older pair of AirPods in here as well, but I usually don't. I don't use headphones on the go that much. If I'm traveling and going to be like with other people, then I'll definitely throw like my AirPods or my AirPods Pro Max or something like that in here. But other than that, I'm not really a big headphone user out in public. Most of this usage consists on the go kind of stuff in my car. So that is what I do. But this is the bag right here. Like I said, the OnePlus bag. They have some different ones. They kind of change the design up every once in a while. I don't even know if this one's still available. I've had it for a couple years now. But that's what I carry. I also do carry a secondary phone. Sometimes this is my main phone, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Sometimes the iPhone 16 Pro Max is my main phone. I will carry the second phone either on my person or in the bag because I do have a number on both of them. I am using the secondary number for a new job I'm starting, so I have that number. And then I have my main number on my main phone. And then Most of the time, I'll actually use the Galaxy S25 Ultra for social media and stuff like that because I have the S Pen and all that kind of stuff. But some of the updates on the apps right now are kind of pushing me towards the iPhone for things like the X app and stuff like that, just because the app is more up to date and has a better interface on the iPhone, in my opinion. So that is kind of my everyday carry right now. I am going to be adding some Ridge accessories, a Ridge pin and a Ridge wallet, which I'll show you guys in an upcoming video here. But this is the setup, and I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.